This white-footed mouse is about to become a mother. Tonight is her last chance to eat before she gives birth. Sniffing out breakfast here is easy enough. The trick is not becoming it. She mustn't linger. There are eyes watching her every move. She needs to find somewhere, away from danger, to give birth. What is this place? It seems the perfect nursery, beyond the dangers of the outside. She's got a big day tomorrow. So sleep well, little mouse, while you can.